Outfit check! Kapag uwi ko guys, sunog na yung mukha. Hey guys, get ready with me because we're going to Antipolo. We are going thrifting in Antipolo in this place that my sister has been recommending for the past few weeks. It's called Fashion Point. So we'll see if it's actually worth the hype. Last time, dito ako nag-film. Ito yung camera. Nakaharap. Pero ngayon,
shut the fuck!
ano ba? Kitang-kita lahat, pati yung paglagay ko ng concealer. Sobrahan po. Nagiging weird na pala yung growth ng ano ko. Ng eyebrows ko. Kasi di ako tawag doon yung shave yung eyebrows. It's Colorettes in the shade Meg. I love Colorette. Colorette all the way. We are going in with these two shades. This is Soft Lilac from Cloud Beauty, and this is Muted from Cloud Beauty. We are going to mix them together. It's literally every shade I want. I just like whisk it up para may snatch effect. Para kunyari yung blush natin kumikinang. Okay, too much glitter, too much glitter. Let's hide from mama. Walang jeep. Correct. Hide from mama. Nakita mo na siya? We're gonna wait for mama kasi uncomfortable daw yung suot niyang sapatos. Anong sapatos yun? Yung H&M. Gusto niya na magchinelas. Hinintay namin siya. Don't go there. I don't go there. I think she's hiding away from us too. So we're hiding together. Andito na si mama!
Another day, another sleigh.
Here na sa LRT. Outfit check. Sobrang namang init. Sobrang namang init. Okay. Hawak natin yung umbrella ni Mudra. Hindi siya pwedeng ma-stress. Ngayon lang ulit ako nakalabas. So, hinahayaan ko lang masunog yung katawan ko. Legit. Lakad ni Madam. Hinihingal ako. Girl, daming tao! Expect nyo na yan kasi holiday kami lumabas. Since our mission here is to buy a halter top, I went straight to the crop top section. Girl, nung una ko siyang sinuot, kala ko ang weird niya tingnan sa akin. Kasi first time kong mag-try ng halter top. Okay naman pala. Actually, sinusuot ko na siya ngayon and the past few days. It looks good. Let's add it to the bag. It's exhausting. I'm so tired. My social anxiety went low like this. I mean, my social battery, not social anxiety. It went low like this. Daming choices, so you'll get overwhelmed easily. But it's actually quality. The quality is so good. I'm gonna do a haul later. Bag secured. We are going to Cubao next. Then we're gonna eat at McDo in Cubao. So let's go. Sobrang pagod, nakatulog sa tren. We're here at Cubao. Look at these toys, guys. They look like jelly cats. Oh, I wanna buy one. So cute. They would perfectly go with me habang tulog. Croissants. Pizza. There's even pizza. Cute. So windy, so sunny. Gutom na ako, guys. Feel ko pag uwi ko, guys, sunog na yung mukha ko kasi hindi ako nagdala ng cap, hindi din ako nagpayo. Saya-saya. So, hinahayaan ko lang masunog yung katawan ko. What is she eyeing? What are you eyeing, girl? Wow, ang ganda ng suot. Magkano? Beef teriyaki, sayo beef and mushroom, Korean. Girl, pagod na kami, so kakain muna kami ng lunch. We bought our favorite, which is rice in the box. Ang na-order namin is beef and mushroom and Korean fried rice. And then, beef teriyaki naman yung in-order ko because I'm currently on a diet. Boo! Ngayon na magde-dessert, guys. Egg pie. Iwasan ko yun. Ay, ako. Ito naman lang pwede. Hi guys, we're home. So, this is the haul. I bought this halter top. It's backless. Actually, hindi pala siya ukay-ukay. Surplus siya. Like, iba't ibang brands. Shein, Zara. This one is Cotton On. And 100 pesos lang to. Sobrang ganda. White. And since hindi ako mapakali, bumili pa ako ng isang kulay. Binili ko yung pink. Pink to! Akala ko peach. Ba't pag nandun peach? Okay guys, story time. Kasi nung time na tinitingnan ko yung pink, large yung nakuha ko. And then, tinignan ko yung pinaka-bottom na rack. Ay, nandun pala, may medium. Nag-iisa na lang siya! Ibig sabihin, para sa akin talaga to. So, yun lang yung binili ko. This is also 100 pesos. Napupuno na yung Fashion Point kasi napopromote na kasi siya by different vloggers. So, sobrang laki niya. And worth it naman yung mga nabili ko. The quality is 10 out of 10. Sabi ko sa kanya, ate, wala na ba kayong medium, ganon, sa mga halter? Kasi pati yung gray, puro extra large. Sabi ni ate, puro talaga, big size, yung mga nila, halter top. Wala akong mahanap na ito, guys, sa ukay-ukay. Kaya nga, naghahanap ako ng halter top, and sinabi ko sa sarili ko, ito lang talaga bibilin ko. But anyway, natapos na din yung vlog natin. I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Literally, pagbabaan mo lang talaga ng LRT sa Antipolo, tapos lakad ka lang diretso, nandun na yung Fashion Point. So, madali lang siya puntahan. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-tricycle. Okay? Naka-burn ka pa ng calories, naka-save ka pa ng gas, naka-save ka pa ng oil.